Today, you'll learn all 4 present tenses with their sentence structures and easy examples. Let's begin. Present tense describes actions that happen now, regularly, or have a connection with the present. Simple present is used for habits, routines, facts, and universal truths. Present continuous describes actions happening right now. He is reading a book. Present perfect describes actions completed recently or connected with the present. Present perfect continuous describes actions that started in the past and are still continuing. Here is an easy trick for English tenses. Simple present is just for habits or facts. Present continuous means it is happening right now, and present perfect it is completed with a result. Here is a quick comparison of the present tenses. Notice how the verb changes as we move through each continuous and perfect form. Practice one sentence from each present tense every day. Save this video and subscribe to Learn English Grammar with PK for more easy grammar lessons.